Hey everyone, today I am repairing a starter mount bolt. I'm working on a F250. The top bolt up there was actually already repaired previously with a helicoil, and whenever I took these two bottom bolts out, the starter fell right out, so the top helicoil had already pulled out of the hole. So I'm going to show you how to fix that today. Basically, whenever I find something like that, I just go ahead and drill the hole open bigger and put a bigger mounting bolt in it. So the tools that you'll need is a drill bit for the right size of the tap, and you'll get a tap like this. And now some vehicles you won't be able to do it like this because you won't have enough room, but for something like this F250 there's plenty of room for you to do it. So once you drill open that hole to the right size, then you'll get your tap up in there and you'll just spin it in there to tap out the threads. Now some people like to put grease on this, but to catch the metal shavings, but I normally like to just spin it in a few times and then spin it back out and blow off the threads, you know, the metal shavings with some air. Now once you get that tap far enough in there to make sure you got a really good you know, bite in the bolt, the next thing that you want to do is take your air blower or a rag and blow all the metal shavings out from around there that's in the area. Then you'll come over to your starter, and because it's a bigger bolt, you'll have to drill out the flange on the starter. Now there's some positives and negatives about it. You know, the positive is you get a actual bolt holding it in, and it will be just as strong as it was before. The bad thing is this flange right here, whenever you drill it open, it makes a thinner wall, so you're more likely to break the flange off. But if you get it nice and tight all the way around, torque them down correctly, you shouldn't have any issue. If you look also on the bolt, the bigger bolt has a bigger mounting point or bigger contact point, so hopefully that'll help you on the surface of the starter. But anyway guys, that's basically how you'd repair a stripped out starter bolt. Hopefully my video helped y'all out today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next vid.